Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fadila Karim, MPM 2008-2002. So this video, uh, the purpose of this video for assignment final exam for the course cross culture understanding. So I will be present about article the influence of the Dia de Muertos tradition in Mexican family. The first abstract. The Los Al Dias Festival is an important celebration in Mexico and other parts of South America that dates back to the Aztec Empire. Often in Mexico, El Dias Los Muertos is misunderstood as part of Halloween, but is very different celebration. According to Schooner, this festival is a time when family remember and honor their loved one who have passed away. That is celebrated as a natural and normal part of life. It is believed that during Los Muertos El Dias festival, the spirit of those who have died return to visit their living family and loved ones. Jadi tentang abstrak ini, yaitu festival ini adalah Festival Los El Dias adalah saat ketika keluarga mengingat dan menghormati orang yang mereka cintai yang telah meninggal dunia. And the second introduction. Culture is everything that is produced by the human mind or mind. Every human being lives in a certain socio-cultural environment, and that culture always enforces socio-cultural values that are adhered to by members of the community. That rituals are part of a culture with various cultures created in this world, from commemorating holidays to commemorating death. They have different ways from one culture to another. That, which is usually mourned, becomes one of the fun festivals in Mexico. Jadi, ritual kematian adalah bagian dari budaya. Dengan berbagai budaya yang tercipta di dunia ini, dari memperingati hari hingga memperingati kematian, mereka memiliki cara yang berbeda dari satu budaya ke budaya lainnya. Kematian yang biasanya diratapi menjadi salah satu festival asik di Meksiko. And then result and discussion. While carrying candles, flowers, and various other offerings that are usually used during Dia de los Muertos, they will clean and decorate the graves of deceased relatives. When night falls, they will light the candles, burn incense, then the local elders will quiet their recitation or prayers. This procession was very sad, especially because the Mixteco people are not used to showing their sadness in public. Dia de los Muertos in Cambiside is a day for them to let out all the longing and sorrowful tears that have been buried for a year for loved ones who have passed away. So, for the result and discussion ini, dalam Dia de los Muertos itu sambil membawa lilin, bunga, dan berbagai sesajen lainnya. Jadi pada saat malam tiba, mereka akan menyalakan lilin, membakar kemenyan, kemudian sesepuh setempat akan memandu pengajian atau doa. Proses ini sangat menyedihkan, apalagi masyarakat Miscui tidak terbiasa menunjukkan kesedihannya di depan umum. Dia de los Mortes bisa dikatakan adalah hari bagi mereka untuk mengeluarkan semua air mata kerinduan dan duka yang telah terkubur selama setahun untuk orang-orang terkasih yang telah berpulang. Next, individuals and family remember by remembering their ancestors and paying homage to those who have gone for a temporary moment. The living and the dead merge in a together existence. Mexican people believe that every ancestor has memory that must be passed on to their next generation as early as possible. Usually, story about the ancestor will be passed down as early as possible from the age of 6 so that they can describe for themselves what happened to their ancestor and how they honor them by placing photo in ofrenda. Individu dan keluarga mengingat leluhur mereka dan memberi penghormatan kepada mereka yang telah pergi. Biasanya cerita tentang leluhur ini akan diwariskan sedini mungkin sejak usia 6 tahun agar mereka dapat menggambarkan sendiri apa yang terjadi pada leluhur mereka dan bagaimana mereka menghormatinya dengan memasang foto di ofrenda. An ofrenda or private altar is a private construction or an intimate family celebration or an altar built over a tomb in a cemetery. Ofrenda is usually built in homes as a welcome zone from the spirit of deceased relative on their return. Others build small ofrenda in cemetery which have previously been cleaned, swept, and decorated. In recent years, ofrenda has had the dual function of serving as public art for organization and school. Jadi, ofrenda atau altar pribadi adalah konstruksi pribadi dari perayaan keluarga yang intim atau altar yang dibangun di atas makam di kuburan. Jadi, ofrenda ini biasanya dibangun di rumah-rumah sebagai zona penyambutan arwah kerabat yang telah meninggal saat kembali. Ada pula yang membangun ofrenda kecil di kuburan yang sebelumnya telah dibersihkan dan disapu dan dihias. And next, not only at home and in cemeteries, but the streets of Mexico will also turn lively when Dia de los Muertos take place. All of society will party in ghost costume parades, art exhibition, musical performance, and much more. Mexicans do not view that as the end of life, but interpret it as the beginning of a new life. That is why Dia de los Muertos is carried out in the cheerful and colorful celebratory atmosphere. Jadi pada saat festival ini di jalan-jalan di Meksiko juga akan semarak saat Dia de los Muertos berlangsung. Seluruh masyarakat akan berpesta dalam parade kostum hantu, pameran seni, pertunjukan musik, dan masih banyak lagi. Orang Meksiko tidak memandang kematian sebagai akhir kehidupan, but interpret it as the beginning of a new life. Jadi, itulah mengapa Dia de los Muertos dilaksanakan dalam suasana perayaan yang ceria dan penuh warna. And the last conclusion, El Dia's Festival Los Muertos is a festival that possession that has something to be celebrated. What is celebrated is the memory of those who have passed away. This festival is celebrated by the people of Mexico on November 1 until 2, which is one day after Halloween, with a belief in the community that day is not the end of life but that is transition from one life to another where communication between the deceased and the living still exist. His celebration continue for generation to this day. Jadi untuk conclusion, El Dias Festival Les Muertos merupakan festival yang memposisikan death sebagai sesuatu yang harus dirayakan. Yang dirayakan adalah mengenang mereka yang telah meninggal dunia. Jadi dengan kepercayaan masyarakat atau keluarga di negara Meksiko ini bahwa kematian bukanlah akhir dari kehidupan, tetapi kematian adalah peralihan dari suatu kehidupan ke kehidupan lainnya, di mana komunikasi antara yang meninggal dan yang masih hidup masih berlangsung. Jadi perayaan El Dias Festival Muertos ini terus dilakukan secara turun-temurun hingga saat ini. I think that's all to my explanation about my article. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.